Right now, so this number of hosts per network, 2 to the power 16 minus 2. So here you can take the beginning network. So you can just write like this. And so what is the range now? So what is the range then? Can you tell me the range? Yes. Here you have kept 1. So this will be 1 to 8. Because starting from 1 to 8, if all are 0, this is 1 to 8. 1 to 8 dot. Yes. What is the range? Come on. So 1 to 8.0, okay, 1 to 8.0.0.0.02. So what is the last digit, the last one that it can accomplish? The last value will be? So 1 to 8 in the beginning. Make a take 1 to 8. Me okkota me kawamani antime genne. Okkota me kawama ene එක මම ලියන්නම් මෙතන 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 is the last network. So what is the last network then? Yes. Calculate and tell me. What is the last network? Range will be 1 to 8. So starting will be this one. This is the start. This is the network part. And host part also you can make it 0. Here also you can go to the maximum. Maximum will be. Okay, this is the minimum and maximum. And now can you tell me the range? This is the minimum. This is the maximum. So what is the range then? 1 to 8, 0, 0, 0 to. Come on, calculate and tell me. So don't look at the table. Without looking at the table, tell me the value. What is the value for this one? In the exam, you have to do this, right? Binary to decimal conversion. This is, you can't tell that you don't know networking. This is where you don't know number systems. Not networking.
108, 28.
128.
First minus.
First octet 1 to 8. Are you sure?
No, minus.
No. Minuses are not there. This is not 2's complement. Think that as a non-signed binary. Non-signed binary. Unsigned binary. This is not minus, right? This is not unsigned binary. This is not signed binary. This is unsigned binary. Sign එකක් ගන්න එපා. Sign නැතුව හිතන්න. So what is the value? Add these values and tell me 1, 2, plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus
191.
190. Huh?
191.
That is the last valid one. Okay, the first first valid network will be this one, 1 to 8. So what is the practical range for hosts? It is 1 to 8, 0, 0, 1, 2. Here you can say 192, 191, 255, 255, 254 is the last valid host for class B. So you can go and see that same thing is given. So here you can see 128 to 191 range is given. So, but so if you just browse internet, you can see the range here. So this is actually mixture because in some concept, some graphics, the range is given. In some graphic, range is given. You can see the suppose. So this is like roughly the values are given, right? 65,000 hosts, each with 16 networks. 16,000 networks. So class B is, so this is a rough value. 65,000 hosts, 16,000 networks. So this is a rough value. And you can see 128.10. So, but no need to start with 128.00. You can start with 0.0.1, and this is the last value. Okay. So some people are not using this, and some they are not using this 0. Therefore, they have started with this one. So I don't like this figure. It seems wrong. This is, yeah, it's also correct, but it has fewer details. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay. Few images. I need the valid ranges, but it doesn't mention that. Only showing the yeah, it only showing the ranges, but it's okay. So let's keep as it is. Okay, class B is now with that. We are done with class B, class C. So some people have taken like first valid host is 128.1 by just skipping one network, right? They have skipped the 0th network. So බින්දුවෙන් පටන් ගන්න එක හොඳ නෑ වගේ බින්දුව කියන එක අත්හැරලා just put one the first valid network, and then practical range for hosts can be taken either from 0 or from 1. So it's okay to take from 1 even according to this ranges. Let's say ranges. I need hosts ranges actually. Okay, let's stick to this. Anyway, this has rough values. That's why I have not taken this. But you can refer to that as well. Okay, class C and D. So you can do this by yourself. So as a homework, try to fill the class C and D. So now I have done class A and B for you, and try to do class C and D alone. Right. If we skip 0th network, I'll conditionally write that, right? I'll conditionally write if we skip the 0th network, the first valid will be 128.1. If you skip the 0th one. And so the next one, class C network, and class D, E network, you can try this alone. So write the same for class C and D. Okay, take a screenshot of this quickly. Take a screenshot of this. And after that, we'll discuss how to write C and D. screenshot of this as well. And a screenshot of this. Okay, with that, we are going to stop for today. Let's see you all in next week. So we'll discuss further about this IP classes and classless interdomain routing. This has some calculations, right? We'll do that calculations too.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good night.
Thank you, sir.